You don't need fancy projectors or expensive equipment to decorate your cookies. If you have a phone, you already have everything that you need. Today, I'm going to show you how I use the Camera Lucida app to trace designs onto cookies easily and accurately. This is a perfect method for beginners and anyone who wants cleaner designs without any stress. For this method, you'll need completely dried royal icing sugar cookies. Make sure your icing is fully set before you start tracing. You'll also need an edible, food-safe marker. Next, an overhead tripod or stand to hold your phone steady, and you'll also need an image to trace. You can find these by doing a Google search for what you want to draw, followed by SVG or clip art. And finally, you'll need semi-stiff royal icing, either in a piping bag or in Ryder bottles. I personally prefer Ryder bottles because they give me much better control. Open the Camera Lucida app and place your phone in your tripod with your cookies positioned underneath. Tap the book icon to select your image and resize it so it fits your cookie. Next, tap the draw icon to lock the image. This step is very important because you don't want your image to move while you're tracing. To adjust the transparency, use the sliding scale until you can clearly see both the image and your cookie. Now you can zoom in and out without messing up your design. Just remember, the image isn't projected onto the cookie, but you're tracing by looking at the image through your phone screen. Using your edible marker, lightly trace the main outline and important details of the design onto the cookie. Remember not to press too hard because you're just creating a guide. This step takes the guesswork out of decorating and helps keep your spacing and proportions consistent. Once your design is traced, go in with your semi-stiff royal icing and pipe directly over your guide. Take your time and follow the lines. This will give you clean and controlled results. And that's how I use the Camera Lucida app to decorate cookies without a projector. This tutorial is for iPhone and Apple users. If you are using a Samsung or Android, make sure you come back for the next video where I'll show you how to do the same thing using the Calca app. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it, and let me know in the comments which app you're using. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.